guys, you are welcome back to my channel. You are welcome to Insight with Dara. So today we'll be learning how to cut a wrap top. We'll be using our bust for the measurements. We'll be using our bust to bring out our rectangle. So the bust is 36 divided by 4, we have 9 inches. The 9 inches plus 2 inches seam allowance, but you are going to add excess to it. Since it's a wrap top, you are going to be adding excess, so I'm going to be adding 4 inches extra to the center of the clothes. This is it, 4 inches. You mark it all through, then you can just use your ruler to rule it out. Then I have the length of the top. This is 21 inches. So I'll start my measurement from here. So I'll take the back measurement, which is 15. Then the armhole, which is 8 inches. Just mark it like this. Then you mark your 7.5. That's 15 divided by 2, 7.5. Then you connect it like this. Then you get this midpoint of this 8 inches, that's 4 inches. You mark 3/4 here, then 1/18 here. If you have your ruler, your armhole curve ruler, you can use it, but in a situation when it is not available, you can go with this. Then your bust, this is the bust here. This is 9 plus additional 2 inches, so this is okay. The half length, which is 16. So the waist is 28 divided by 4 will give you 7 plus 2 inches sewing allowance. So you just connect, make sure you leave like 1 inch here. Then you just connect it like this. Then you connect it like this. So this is it. Then the next thing you're going to do is the neck round. I'm going to be using 3 inches. Then don't forget to slant the shoulder here. Just measure 1 inch here and connect it like this. So this is my 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is to use this ruler is kind of short, but I can just go with my tape rule. I'll just connect it like this, all through like this. I'm going to be leaving this space because of the rope. So this is like 2.5 inches. So this is how you connect it. I can still use my hand to adjust it. So if you want to regulate the opening, you can regulate it from here. I don't want the neck to be too open, so I'll just go with 6.5. I'll reconnect it again. As you can see, this is it. So you cut like this. Yeah, open. So this is what we have here. But I don't want the shape to be like this, so I'll just mark 1 inch here and connect it to the center like this. So this is it here. This is how it will look like when you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the back now. So for the back, you don't need to add any 4 inches. You only need your seam allowance of 2 inches. The bust is 9 inches plus, that's 36 divided by 4, 9, plus your additional 2 inches for the seam allowance. That's all you need for the back. You don't need a zip for the back. So what I'm going to do is to calculate it, my back measurement. That's shoulder 15 divided by, that's the 7.5. Then 8 inches for the armhole here. Then 7.5 here. Then I'll just connect it. I'll get the midpoint. That's 4 inches here. 3/4, 1/18. Then I'll connect it like this. Then this is the bust. It's already complete. Then half length 16, waist 28 divided by 4, 7, plus 2 inches seam allowance. Then I'll just connect like this. Then I'll connect it out. Then don't forget 1 inch here. Then you just connect it. Then 3 inches. You're going to be working with 3 inches by 3 inches at the back. You can use whichever neck you want, but I'm going with a high neck at the back. Then I'll slant the shoulder like this. So this is it. So let's talk about this. So this is the back. This is what we have for the back. Then this is the front. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and join the shoulder together. The shoulder of the front and the back together. Then we'll just use the same material to turn the neck. So guys, this is what I'll be using for the turning. So I'll just mark 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch all through. And I'll cut it out. So I'm going to place it again, but then this one will be shorter this time around. So this is what I'm going to be using. All I have to do is to join it together. So this is it. I'll just go ahead and join it together and use it to turn the neck. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew. As you can see, this is it here. So the next thing you are going to do is to cut the rope. So this is 5 inches by 13 inches. So this should be the rope. So guys, here is the rope. You just fold it into two like this. Then you sew. Then when you are done sewing, I'll show you how to fix it. So guys, this is the rope. I've gone to fix it. So you add it to the two sides like this. This is it here. This is it. So, and we've gone ahead to join the sides. Make sure to leave an or opening of 2.5 inches. So guys, this is the sleeve. We're going to be making use of 9 inches. These are finished armhole round, 9 inches. Then the center of 9, 4.5. You come down by 1 inch here. Then 5 inches here. Then you connect like this. So I'm going to be adding 2 inches. Then I'll connect it down. So this is it. I'm cutting the two together, as you can see. I folded the two together. So I'll just go ahead and cut it. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew the sleeve. This is what we have. So guys, this is our blouse. You can see the sleeve, and here is our flace skirt as well. So this is what we are going to be making. This is it.